What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Vert, back in the video. We back. You know what I'm saying? Today, y'all, I got some motherfucking eats for y'all. Feel me? We got the two chefs right here. Wanna be on camera? Come to the camera. The two chefs, man. They say this is fire, bro. I swear, if it's nasty, y'all know how I get. I'm gonna be honest.
Ain't no fire. What's to do, y'all? It's Tori Kate.
Y'all look like some mystery goulash or some shit. This right here, look, you know what I'm saying? Mystery goulash. Okay, you got the motherfucking shrimp. I ain't gonna say nothing to the end. A little cold. I cooked about 20 minutes ago. Fire. I get a shrimp, you know what I'm saying? I get a taste at the end type shit.
That shit. I didn't know instructions. I made it my damn. I think you ate it.
Imitation crab. This imitation crab, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's a little bussin'. You know what I'm saying? They got this loud ass TV on. I don't know if y'all can hear me. They can't get it down. This shit bussin'. To be honest, y'all. She did put this motherfucking shrimp in the sink. Oh! She did. I'm not gonna lie.
You're supposed to go wash it.
No. Come to the camera. Tell them why. She put this shit in the sink, and I ain't never seen no nigga do no shit like that. The camera right here.
Okay, so basically, you're supposed to put the shrimp in the sink so you can wash it, and then place it in a pan and cook it. And with butter, though. Put butter in the pan, because you don't want your shrimp to get stuck to the pan without the butter in it.
It's good, though. But I ain't never seen no shit like this. She say all this. I don't know what the fuck she say all this woo woo. I'm a nigga. There's a lot of niggas that can cook. Shout out to y'all, but I don't, I ain't made it through yet. I'm only 20. You know what I mean? It's a lot of niggas that 20 know how to cook. I don't. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna let me try it all again, matter of fact, because I feel like I ain't really do my due diligence. You know what I'm saying? What y'all want me to rate this off of?
You're not even eating.
I already ate some of it. It's good. Like, I don't want to like bang on camera type shit. Y'all, this, like I said, the shrimp cold. You know what I'm saying? They took it a little minute. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try it with the...
hand was already motherfucking injured, but I beat this bitch pretty ass. It's not cold, but it's like... And you still
I ain't gonna lie. This is fire. I ain't gonna lie. I wouldn't lie to y'all. Y'all know I wouldn't lie. I'm gonna give it... Like, if the shrimp was hot, I feel like I give it a 10. But I still gotta give it a 10. Cooking with Ari. Shout out to Ari. Some of your YouTube channel, Ari. Y'all, she got a little badass camera. Let y'all see. Shout out your YouTube channel, Ari. Okay.
I mean, I know my channel.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This shit fire. I ain't gonna lie. I need some more.
Y'all, my channel is called Get Lit with Ari.
Put it on the screen. But, y'all, it's fire. I ain't gonna lie. It's good. It's good eats. You know how we get? I give it a cool look. We can't do no weight test on this because it's a plate. The plate heavy as hell. Overall, it's a good amount. You know, you don't need to eat too much, my nigga. You feel me? Cool little plate. The presentation is a 10. Food is a 10. You know what I'm saying? The chef's a 10. You feel me? You heard what she said. You know what I'm saying? But it's your boy Vert. I might show y'all this little badass cat she got. Actually, I ain't gonna show y'all. I don't know. But it's your boy Vert. I just want to show y'all my little eats real quick. I'm gonna tap in with y'all. It's your boy Vert. We out. Deuces. Y'all know that song? It'd be like, I am in love with love. This is how this food made me feel. This shit is good, my nigga. I thought it was gonna be ass. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna blur it out, but yeah, I thought it was gonna be ass, bro. It's good. I fuck with this. So I really fuck with this imitation crab, y'all. Feel me? Y'all want a plate? Cooking with Ari. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Vert. Let me zoom in a little bit. I know every day I gotta talk my shit. I gotta talk my shit every day. Make sure whatever you want, chase your dreams. You can live whatever life you want to live, my nigga. Whatever you want to do, you can live it. If you want to be a like Travis Hunter and getting your, you know what I'm saying, your lady getting done like that, you can. If you want to be like Devin Haney and your lady, if you can do whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? But it's your boy Vert. See if this bitch stick to the plate. No, it's a ceramic. But it's your boy Vert. I love y'all. We out deuces.